Today's going to be a very short video. It's part of a 3-part series that I'm making. And we're going to be doing some tacos. Some special type of tacos. And the first thing I need to do is freeze dry some salsa. Some Tomatillo Salsa. So I bought this big jar of Salsa Verde. And that's Tomatillo Salsa. So that's what we're going to do. And all we're going to do for this very short video is get the jar open. And this is 4 1/4 pounds, 4.25 pounds of salsa. We don't need that much, but let's give that a good shake before I dish that out. Get that all mixed up. Alright, so I got my scale here. We don't want to go over 2.5 pounds. But we're just going to pour that in here. Oh, that smells good. There's 2.5 pounds. Now my goal is to make 10 meal pouches. So we're going to divide this into 10. So we'll have 10 portions, 10 big portions of salsa. So you have seen the whole prep for this video. So this is a good time to remind you that my new recipe book is out, and I'm going to pin a link to that down in the description, or not the description, I'm going to put it in the comments section below. I'll pin it to the top where you can go look at my, I'll link to the video that I did announcing it in case you haven't seen that video, and also put a link to the Lulu bookstore where you can go buy it online. And this is a good time as not to remind you, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to get this into the freezer, get it frozen solid. Once it's frozen solid, it'll go into my next load of the freeze jar. And that's all there is to this video. A nice short one. Look forward to seeing you then. Okay, there we have it. My Salsa Verde sauce has been freeze dried. And now we're going to get it packaged up. Now these are going to be going into a meal. So I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc bag. Like this for now. We're not going to zip them shut, but I'm going to crumble them up. We're just going to roll that like that. Because these will be going inside of another Mylar bag. So let me get these packaged up and I'll be right back. Okay, those all put away to the side to package away in my meal. But let's do a little reconstitution just to see, I kept some out, how it comes back. I'm just going to put this water in very sparingly until I get the consistency that I want. It instantly sucks up the moisture, which is good. That's a little bit pasty, which might be nice, but it came out of the jar a little bit runnier than that, so just add a little bit more water to that. And instantly we have some Salsa Verde. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, strong. Wow, had a kick to it. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. There you go. Easy peasy Japanesey. There's an easy one for you. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you follow along because I got 2 more items for this meal to do. So next week we'll put out another part and then the final part 2 weeks from now. But here we go. There's a starter. Tomatillo sauce. Salsa Verde. Store-bought.